Printing from a USB drive is a convenient way for users who are not connected to the network to print PDFs, JPEGs, XPS, PRN, and PostScript print files. Perform the following steps to print a PDF file from a USB drive on the system. Connect the USB storage device to the USB port on the system. After a few seconds, found USB device appears on the touch panel. Note: exercise caution when the message USB device in use. Do not remove USB device appears. Do not disconnect the USB device while this message is displayed, as it could destroy data in the USB device or cause a malfunction in your system. Press the print button on the control panel. Select USB from the drop-down box. Note: if your system is managed by department codes, you will be prompted to enter your department's password at this point. In the list of files, select a file to print. Note: if you have an encrypted PDF file that requires a password, you will be prompted to enter the password at this point. Press Settings. Set the required print options, including number of copies, color mode, two-sided printing, finishing, or paper size for JPEG files only. Press Print.